Jinja is travel, then agriculture. Another one would be startup. They will watch us doing the morning routine of our birds, of what we do on the farm. Okay. However, I will also give them tips on how can you do business in Jinja, where I'm located. The best businesses around.
Hello everyone watching. Welcome to Big Nine Wonders. We bring you the amazing side of Africa. Today we are here at Kataps farm. We are meeting Mr. Kataps. We have just met him from the bed. He's going to give us some details about his working, his daily routine and what he does. And we hope you will enjoy this video, guys.
This is a surprise. Can you imagine getting out of the bed straight on camera?
Yeah.
So this Kataps farm, guys, you're going to enjoy this video. We are going to give you our daily routine. I have not even bathed, not even washed my face. Because the birds are aware that this guy, they're used to me. You know, I don't bathe in the morning. I know what to do, bathe. Don't do what I do, do as I say. Now, every time you see my videos, you see I'm the birds, I'm the pigs, but this now, Big Nine Wonders has come. Let me show you what I do in my simple way, so that maybe one of you can be inspired. Again, I'll also give you some tips on how can you do business around the Jinja, part of Uganda. Because there are some businesses which are the best here, businesses around here that are the best, apart from any other region of Uganda. So follow us. It's our daily routine.
Thank you. In case you have watched him for the first time, this one is Kataps farm. He has a YouTube channel, which I hope you guys, most of you have watched, is Kataps. You can
Kataps farm. You just click Kataps farm and that is it. You see videos, over 100 videos. We have taught people what to do, starting from zero. We are not big farmers. Everything you see here was bought by Kataps farm, from zero to grace.
Wow, that's great. Follow us, guys, as we are going to the farm to see what he does. I hope you will enjoy this video.
So guys, you cannot go into the birds without something like a uniform. I gave you a video last time that you must have overall in your birds. And this is what I do. It is a very long for me, but that's the height problem. But it's okay. It's okay, guys. Never mind. So this uniform helps you. The birds, I told you, they identify the color. This is a red uniform, and that's what I usually wear. Before I got the overall, I used to have a red color. Now I have the overall, and it's a uniform for my farm. After that, you enter the birds. You don't have to gamble. Because if they are laying and put in different colors, they detect and they may stop laying. And we avoid all that. You know, my uniform is complete when I have gumboots and we call it, it's not sanitizer, but disinfectant. So COVID-19 gave us a lot of reasons why we shouldn't joke around with any infection. Oh, what keys? The keys are so many. You know, when the farm was grown, you always get challenges of how to handle your own resources. So the keys are so many, but yeah, there we go. The birds are waiting for us. You can see they are waiting. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our birds. The young batch that are just 6 months old. They came on the 9th January 2013, 2023. So basically the birds are only 6 months old. You can see how nice they are. Now let me give them feeds so that they can reduce the sound, and we give you some of the tips how we came to this level.
have been here in Jinja for a long time. Can you tell us some more information about Jinja, the goodness of Jinja? What do you think is the goodness of Jinja?
I did my school for me. By the way, guys, they don't know that I have a degree. I have a degree in social sciences. But you know, jobs in the world, it's better to employ yourself. So I decided to do business. I started from somewhere where I was given a free structure. And that structure was very unconducive, but it had to work for me. Now, I opted for poultry simply because agriculture is the backbone of Africa. Being in agriculture, you never regret. So the best business I can say is agriculture in Jinja. Reason, we have too many hotels. If your people travel, you've seen that we have many hotels in Jinja and they are cheap and they have good food. That food is our source of market, those hotels. Now, if you're doing, apart from other things in agriculture, poultry, everybody has chicken, chips in every hotel. Wow, pizza. They ask you for vegetable, meat, chicken. That's very good. We have eggs everywhere. You say Rolex on the streets. That's actually the brand of Uganda, Rolex. Then you have also chapati. I mean the bread cakes that are made out of eggs. Basically, poultry turned out to be my best business in the Jinja area. Now, if another thing, in the Jinja, if you're to do travel, it's also good business. You do hospitality business. Let people come, take them around. You just need to know the language. That is our local language in Lusoga, Luganda, some Swahili, good English, and some French. And those people from other countries, some of them pick those languages. So I think, to me, the best businesses in Jinja is travel, then agriculture. Another one would be to start up a translating center. What do I mean? Get a center for languages, translate for people. When they come, they will learn the language and then translate for them. You get translators from your center. And I've also seen that in Jinja fashion and design does very well. We have these happening centers like at the source of the Nile, whereby people put on every kind of dressing, any kind, a shirt without a trouser, just anything. So I have to design the people. Also, you look at the haircuts of people. Me, I'm not a designer. But people have haircuts, some are cutting any style. So that is what we call design and styling. It's a very good business in Jinja. I have also seen crafts. Crafts in Jinja do very well because the tourists from all over the world are coming to Jinja. We have too many factories, too many industries, source of the Nile, Lake Victoria, the waterfalls, all the dams are here. So people come from all over the whole of Africa, the whole world, to check in Jinja. Now, if you do them crafts, they want to see an African man putting on a car tire as a shoe. That we call craft shoes. The vitenge, the vitenge are a clothing made out of vitenge. And then we also have the other designs like putting on saiso. All those things are in Jinja. So more of things in the Jinja. Business in the Jinja, I can't finish them. But for me, if I were to get money, I would do all the ones I've told you. Travel, crafts, that is food, and then I think those are the best around here. Hey, you are forgetting a restaurant. What? Restaurant itself, even a pork joint. Don't hear me, pork joint. If it works, these guys eat pork a lot. Hey.